All right. If you are someone who uses WordPress and Pipedrive and has always every lead manually to upload in Pipedrive, this tutorial is probably for you. So as you can see on the left side, we have in WordPress, in our website, the form already prepared. And in the midsection, we see the workflow in n8n. On the right side, of course, the lead section here in Pipedrive. Let's first activate our workflow. And as you can see, this is a test URL, so it's not yet in the publish section. On the left side, we quickly finish our form submission. And now it is loading and the form went out, and then on the right side we just have to refresh and we managed to successfully send that lead automatically to Pipedrive. All right, the first step is that you need this specific workflow. You find that under the link. We'll open the school.com community account, and under Classroom, you can find it bottom left and n8n WordPress plus Pipedrive. Open it up and download this specific workflow. All right, next is we go to n8n. We create the new workflow. On the top right, you have the three dots. Click on it and import from file. On the download section, import the JSON. Currently it is pinned. We can first pin it so that data comes in. First thing you have to check is the API key for Pipedrive. So if we head towards create new credential, we have to integrate this API token. To find the API token, just head towards Pipedrive. On top right, you have under My Account, Personal Preferences, you click on it and here you find API, copy it and paste it. All right, you save it and the connection tested successfully. All right, the next thing, it is important that you track your test URL on the webhook section. And this test URL, you have to find the right theme. Either it's in a theme or a plugin. In my case, I found this under templates question.php, and with a little help of ChatGPT, because I'm by all means no coder or so, I could find where to implement it. And in this case, we have here 3 different kind of forms, and this one is specific for the first one I showed. And of course, it all depends how your form is set up. But overall, usually it's pretty at the top, right under the header. You have to implement the webhook. And after that, you have to hit save or update file. The moment it works, you can switch this webhook to the published webhook. Here in the test URL, you can switch to production URL. The only thing that changes is, as you can see, that the -test disappears on the production URL. And the second thing, which is really important, is you have to publish the workflow. You publish it, just give it a random name, hit publish, and you're good to go. All right, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any further questions, just write in the comment section down below.